The next movie, Ikigai, I guess everyone is well aware of it. It's a Japanese book after which our Assamese film was made on it. So now, a few lines about the director, Aminul Haq, founder of Jokula Production, an independent filmmaker, director, writer, and actor specializing in feature and documentary films, an alumnus of Communication and Journalism Department, Guwahati University, passionate about storytelling and impact of cinema.
Now I would like to highlight the synopsis of the film IKIGAI. Deepika, a dark-skinned girl from a small village, has spent her life battling the cruel judgments of society. Ridiculed for her complexion, she endures taunts from her peers and even the cold indifference of her own mother. Desperate to fit in, she struggles with her self-doubt and an internal war to change herself. Despite the world's rejection, Deepika hovers a dream to become an actress. The only person who truly understands her is her childhood best friend, who secretly loves her. He stands by her side and encourages her to endure every challenge, reminding her of her worth beyond skin color. When a renowned director visits her college for an acting competition, Deepika hesitates, but with her friend's unwavering support, gathers the courage to audition. She delivers a powerful, heartfelt monologue, one that speaks of pain, resilience, and the beauty of self-acceptance. The director, deeply moved, sees not just her talent but the spirit and offers her a chance to step into the world of cinema. Thank you. May I request the technical team to screen the film, please?
Volunteers, please turn off the lights. Volunteers, please turn off the lights.